Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your WhatsApp font without using any external extra applications. So you don't need to download and install any apps for that on your Android or your device to do this. So let us show you how you can do that, guys. So for this method you will need to close WhatsApp on your device for a brief moment and head over to your web browser on your phone. Let me go with Google for demonstration purposes here on Google Chrome. Tap into the search bar here on Google Search and look for a website called Lingo Jam. After that, access this website, and what you want to do next is simply use this text generator here on Google Chrome to convert your font or your text into a custom one. Type in your text here at the top where it says normal text goes here, and after that simply browse through that list of different font and text styles below to find the one you would like to use. So let me go, for example, with this one here for demonstration purposes. Copy the given text. You may do that by holding your finger on it for a brief moment till you see that highlighting tool here. Make sure that you highlight the entire text. And after that, from that menu here, select copy to copy that text into your clipboard. Return to your conversation or chat on WhatsApp. Paste the text into that message field here with the changed font and send your message. As you can see, the font has been changed and I haven't used any external app for that. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.